The zipper is rolled onto the roller and put into the dyeing tank. The process takes up to 4 to 6 hours under high temperature and pressure. The daily capacity is about 50 colours per day. TH Zipper has been granted the license from the Chinese government to operate its own dyeing process in-house, while thousands of other dyeing factories have been shut down by the government over recent years due to their illegal or irresponsible manufacturing processes. TH Zipper is committed to sustainable operations to protect the environment, with a $5 million investment in water treatment and recycling facilities. We use heated cylinder machines to iron the zippers that have been through the dyeing process. This is not only for the appearance of the product, but also to make the sewing process of zippers more efficient for finished goods.